What's up? Ow. How you guys enjoying the lockdown? Quite boring, right? I'm too getting very boring. Very, very bored. College, some people are saying college. Do you actually have college at this time? Yes, Basit. Even my favorite time, Bashit. Exams are on, online classes. My God, इसमें भी तुम लोग इतना काम कर रहे हो online classes, exams. How can you have exams? I thought most of the exams was like cancelled and gone, right? अभी कहाँ से exam आ गया suddenly? I thought all the exams are over. Dude, ETH has reached 4,250. What is wrong with you, ETH? I mean, keep going up. Don't stop. Rahil is asking why Newland fell today. Because the whole market fell today, bro. When the market falls, usually most of it falls. It's quite common that way. Just wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Quite boring, man. Very, very boring. Petrol and diesel prices apparently went up for the third consecutive day, and Congress is like, you're looting people. I'm like, who is using this? I really want to know who is using petrol and diesel right now. You go out and the cops are taking a stick and hitting you. So I have no idea who's doing anything. Whoa. Oyo just announced 4-day work week. So you only have to work for 4 days in a month. In a week. Sorry. 4 days in a week. And it has infinite paid leaves. Like you can take how many ever leaves you want. Unlimited. Infinite. Okay, 283. Not Avalon, guys. This is which company I'll tell you. Oyo. Avalon has 7-day work week because we're not big as Oyo. We need to reach there. Okay, if someone's saying 4-day work week, bus khatam. They will see the wrath of me. Okay, so let's see what is happening with Sensex. Okay, so Sensex is down. Obviously, today the market went down 471 points. Every day, extra 200 points. It went up for 2 days and then suddenly it drops by 400 points, net to net zero. Q, why? What is happening? Again, it went down. Okay, so again it went down. It's again down to 48,690. Chota correction ho raha hai. And if it's at 48,690, then I don't know what to do because it needs to go up and it's not going up. It's not reaching that 50,000 mark, which is so sad. Okay, I'm just looking at some other news. A consortium of multiples PE, okay, California Pension Board, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala are buying Cadilla animal health business for 3,000 crores. Animal health business. इतना बड़ा business for animal health. My God, what is happening? Let me tell you. The buyout has been struck through a slump sale of 2,921 crores. Slump sale usually means that it is a fire sale, like loss में बेच रहा है आदमी, and he's selling it for a loss sale of 2,921 crores for an animal business. And I don't know why they're buying animal business. Is there some new trend that animals are going to be used a lot in the future, or I don't know, it's a little weird. I have no idea. Putting so much money, something's not right. Or they'll just come and put one IPO and he'll exit and he'll make money. ICMR head is saying that most of India should remain locked down for 6 to 8 weeks. My God, imagine that, guys. Most of the guys have to. ICMR is saying that we should keep the lockdown for another 8 weeks. Do you guys agree to that? 8 weeks more, huh? Yeah, so ICMR is talking about that. Um, FIIs, foreign institutional investors, raise stake in over 60% of Nifty 50 firms. So FIIs are actually doubling down, and guess what? They're buying a lot. Guess what they bought the most, actually? Not actually most, but guess total value wise, what are they buying? Tata Steel they've bought, Hindalco they've bought, Adani Ports obviously, Grasim, UPL, Wipro, State Bank, Bajaj, Finserv, ONGC, Ultratech, BPCL. Basically almost full, like they've literally bought the Nifty 50 only. अभी कुछ छोड़ा ही नहीं है इन लोग ने, सब कुछ खरीद लिए. One second. Yeah. So FIs are raising their stakes, so that is happening. Something else only is happening. Now, Softbank CEO Mayoshi Son, um, is now in the history books for delivering the largest ever quarterly profit for a Japanese company. But he's not getting the respect that he's deserved. You know what his quarterly profit was? Quarterly profit was $18 billion. Okay, Mayoshi Son's quarterly profit was $18 billion, but he's not getting the respect because we all know that he tried to play a game and that game didn't work out and he failed in that game. He tried just pumping valuations and getting exits from people. That didn't happen. So that is slightly bad. Ethereum hits record high, taking 2021 gains to nearly 500%. Only in 2021, in the last 5 months, it's gone up 500%. Not bad at all. Um, okay, oxygen cylinders have come. That is good. There's an article about the 50-30-20 rule. Interesting. Asian Paints results came out. Apparently, their net profit went up by 85% to 850 crores, but the market was disappointed. Interesting. Like their profit was so high, they made 850 crores, but the thing was very disappointing. What else? See, there's so much news related to COVID, right? It masks all the finance news. There's a company called SuperOps.ai raises 3 million from Elevation Capital and Matrix Partners. SuperOps AI, which is doing, guess what? AI. Hmm. Interesting. कुछ भी करते हैं sometimes. It's not bad, not bad. Okay. PayPal introduced digital foreign inward remittance advice. So now you can actually get payments with a receipt and other things like that in PayPal itself. So now it's become more um, better from that. And remember how I was talking about Praj Industries kept going up a lot? Right? I spoke about KPR Mills and Praj Industries both kept going. I don't know whether I spoke to you guys or spoke to my other people, but Praj Industries went up. And apparently they're in a sweet spot right now because the consumption of ethanol is going up a lot. And that is why Praj Industries apparently poised to do really well. Hmm. Apart from that, Seeing if there's anything else interesting to talk about apart from. Mm, no, doesn't seem like it. What do you have to say about Intellect Design? It's going up a lot, but I don't know why it's going up. I know they won some deal, but I need to do more research. I'm planning to do this research this week. My Pro League guys are helping me out with the research on Intellect Design, so let's see what they will come up with. Okay, I think it's better that I do something like how I did yesterday. Take people on stage and answer their questions. Do you guys think that's okay? Baring PE Asia offloads 3.14 stake in Coforge India for 600 crores. That's not a good sign. I have invested in Coforge for some reason. It's not a good sign that someone is actually exiting their stake and going back. Okay, let me take some people online then. Do one thing. Click on the ask to speak, and I will start taking people online on this. And quickly, I'm going to take some few favorites of mine, and apart from that, I'm going to take random people also. Only if you have a display picture, I'm gonna take you. If not, I'm not gonna take you. Okay. And if I galti se take you, I will untake you after that. Okay, enough. I think I've taken too many people now. Hey guys, what's up?
Hey
Only.
Shashank, this is Paritosh. Can I go first?
Yeah, go first, man.
Okay. So, actually, this is a kind of a praise for you. I
Thank you.
have been following
Thank you. I love
you
praises.
for a while. I
Hmm.
uh, I basically got very influenced by the one thing you said, that was ordinary people promise 20% in a year, but like I like 50. So I was very much influenced by that.
Hmm.
Working smartly for a higher return. Yeah. So my
Thank you.
my question today is basically personal finance related.
Hmm.
So like suppose I make 10 lakhs a year, and I have got a student loan for 15 lakhs, and I am getting like suppose 10% return from my portfolio. So how
Hmm.
much should I allocate to each of them? And in portfolios also, I got to diversify. So I'll put in stocks. I'll put in this PF.
Can you
I
tell
want
me in
to,
a quick, small version, fast, because there's too many
yes.
people on stage, right? Quick, small,
So
fast, crisp version.
basically 10 lakhs per annum
Okay.
allocated to debt and equity.
Okay.
So debt means personal debt, education loan.
Okay.
So how much should be the allocation to each?
How much is
And
your personal
in
debt right now?
15 lakhs.
No, no. What is your interest payment for the year?
Okay. So that is
10
around
lakhs
8.
per annum है तो 15 lakhs loan है तो I don't know what you're doing only, So what is
No,
your
no.
interest yearly?
The education loan is basically college loan, so that will be more than your income only.
No, no. How
That
much are
will
you
be
paying monthly, bro, on the interest?
interest is 8% per annum.
Okay, so that is something around what is it? One is it 15,000 a month? Is it 1 lakh per month? Can't be
Yeah,
1 lakh
so
a month. How many years is it?
yeah, so that is around 12 years, and it's like 12,000 a month. So which makes it
Okay, so it's
1.5
12,000 a
lakh.
month. So if you're making 10 lakhs LPA and your entire loan is only 1.2 lakhs a year, that means it is 10% allocation that you have done almost of your yearly income on debt. 90% is remaining. Out of 90%, you should again invest another 15% of your yearly income into savings, and the remaining you should use for your personal stuff.
Okay, but that would mean I will have to pay for 12 years and a lot of interest into the education loan. How about I
Yes.
prepay it a little bit?
If you
That will
can
make
prepay it, ideally you should prepay it very fast and finish it off as soon as
and
possible.
like basically putting off the equity investments
Basically, just prepaying it and finishing it off.
and not putting it into equity, right?
No, do both. Instead of paying 15,000, pay 30,000, but put only 10,000 into equity. Do both. Save also. but
Okay.
reduce allocation on saving and increase allocation on repaying loan.
Okay. So how about I pay like 40% of my income into debt, 20 into equity, and 20 miscellaneous, 20 savings.
Yeah, you can do something like that. You can do something like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thanks.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Okay, next.
Hi Shashank, this is Nivedha.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Hey, hi, you're able to hear me?
Yeah, I
Hello?
can hear you now.
Yeah, hi Shashank, this is Nivedha. I have just started investing in stock markets after going through a lot of your videos on, this Avalon Meta app and everything. I just have a basic question on Wipro. I can see Wipro is a large cap company with about like more than 2 lakh crore market cap, and it's been in the market like for since a long time, but compared to its peers, its growth is in terms of stock price, it's very less, and also it fell very badly today, despite of its acquisition on Capco last month. So I was just wondering why it is not increasing, or is there anything to that, or how should I see it?
Wipro in the past, actually, if you think about it, Wipro is not doing that bad because it was at 400 few months ago. Now it's at 500. That's almost a 20% gain. If you go look at Wipro's chart, I'll tell you when. April 1st, Wipro was at 415 rupees, and now it is at 5. It had gone up to 520 rupees. That's more than 20% return, correct?
Yeah,
In
exactly.
a
But
month.
when we
Hmm.
compare, yeah, that is correct. But it's there in the market since a long time, and compared to Spear, even HCL and Tech Mahindra, it is the third biggest IT firm, Indian IT firm.
Correct.
But HCL and Tech Mahindra are way ahead of Wipro in the share price. So that's what I was
No,
wondering.
it's not. No, no, no. You're looking at it all wrong. Do not look at it from share price perspective. Share price is the
Okay.
most wrong way to look at a company, right? Because share price, it depends on how many shares are in the market. So maybe Wipro has more, correct. So if you
Okay.
look at the
Okay.
market cap of HCL Technologies, the market cap is 2,45,000 crores, and
Yeah,
Wipro's
it is
market
lesser
cap
than.
is 2,78,000 crores. So actually, Wipro is more expensive than HCL.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, but what is Wipro
Completely
doing?
got
They're
it.
giving a lot of bonuses and stock splits. That is why. But market cap is the main thing that you need to look at.
Hmm, okay. Okay. Only market cap matters instead of the stock price. Okay, I
Yes, it's
was
not the
just
stock
thinking
price.
of
Market
around it.
cap is the
Okay.
most important thing. See, I'll tell you
Okay.
what
Thank
market
you.
cap and stock price is. Okay, I'll tell you what it is. If you are
Mhm,
assume, I'll tell you market price of a company is 100. Okay, and the stock price,
mhm,
the market, no, not leave the market cap. I'll tell you stock price is 100 rupees, and I'll tell you that in the share market right now there are 100 shares of this company. So what is the market cap of this company? That basically means your total price into the number of shares that are there in the market. 100 into 100.
mhm. Yeah.
Okay, that is your market cap. Okay, that will be 10,000.
Yeah.
Now, if I tell you that this number of shares, okay, from 100, they gave a bonus, they gave a 1 is to 1 bonus. So 100 shares became 200 shares. Okay, but the market cap is
Okay.
still the same. Assume that the market cap is still 10,000, but now there are 200 shares in the market. That means your price, which was 100, now has to adjust and become 50. Correct?
Okay.
But you
Okay.
have
Yeah.
50 rupees ka two shares you have instead of one, which is the same now. It's still 100.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is why price does not matter,
Yeah.
market cap matters. So if that 10,000 becomes
Okay.
20,000, that means your money has doubled.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Awesome,
Got
Nimish.
it, Shashank. Yeah.
Awesome.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, hey Sham, what's up? Am I audible?
What's up, man? How's life?
Good, good, cool. Okay, so like few days back, someone asked about the portfolio stock question, like how much stocks should one have in their portfolio, and you answered that like 8 to 10 stocks or max to max 15, right?
Yeah.
But the next day market was up, and small case was also performing good. So like I was thinking कि ठीक है चलो शशांक ने like 30,000 का small case बनाया, I should think about it, and थोड़ा बहुत research के बाद I will invest. Okay,
Hmm.
so like also people were asking that 1 lakh का small case भी होना चाहिए. तो like so my question is, अगर मैं like if I invest in my own portfolio of the 10 stocks, like 15 like 10 to 15% allocation though, and if I also invest in the small cases of like you 30,000 and in EV stocks also, so my total holdings in my demat account ultimately increases increases from 10. The number
Correct.
increases from 10. So what's the point of this number like 10 in a portfolio stock? अगर मैं स्मॉल केसेस में भी इन्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, मैं
Tell
अपने
you what, you're
पोर्टफोलियो में भी
investing
जा रहा हूँ.
in. No, no, I'll tell you what. You're investing in two different type of themes, I would say. Right? One theme is what I am doing, and one theme is what you are doing.
Mm-hmm.
Correct?
Okay.
Now, now it all depends on which theme is performing better. Correct? Yes or no?
Correct.
Now, if one theme is performing really good and the other theme is not performing really good, then you should, you're doing an A/B test, right? Okay, one theme is not performing good. Let me remove my money and put in the other theme.
Yeah.
But what if both themes are performing good? In
Mm-hmm.
reality, you're still not over diversified because you're in two different themes of 10 stocks each. You've invested 1 lakh, but percentage of this is going up. So if
Okay.
percentage goes up, you should not worry at all.
No, not worry about what? About our diversification.
Yes, as long as it is going up, don't worry. If it is not going up, okay, say for
Okay.
example, you invested in your own 10 stocks and it didn't go up, but maybe my stocks are going up.
Okay.
Then you catch the fast train and then you don't put it there and you put in the fast in these stocks that way.
Okay. After analyzing about how much months, like a year, if like अगर मैंने अपने
You
10
should do a
stocks.
review every 3 months.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Every 3 months, you should see which one's performing better. See, one is doing 10% return in 3 months, and the other one is doing instead of 10%, the other one's. Say, assume you have two ones, okay? One is my small case, one is your own. If one is doing
Mm.
10% and one is doing 8%, don't touch anything. It's fine. ठीक है.
Okay. Okay.
Correct? Even though you're
Hmm.
diversified, you're making good returns. That means you have diversified and picked the best stocks. That means you're in that beautiful holy grail segment, right? तूने कुछ अच्छा किया है अभी. But if
Okay.
one is at 10% and one is at 3%, then obviously it's common sense, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
You'll be like, क्यों करना है बकवास? No point.
Okay. Thanks.
Okay?
Who's one?
Awesome.
Okay.
What is your name again?
Hello.
Nimish.
Okay, Nimish. Good question.
Hello, Shashank.
Yeah, hi.
Hi. I actually had two questions. First one is like, actually, I have bought 2,000 shares of Concord drugs while its price was around 66, 67, and now it is trading as 37. Like as of today, it's trading at 37. So
You bought it at?
66.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's like
What is
completely
this stock?
half. Concord drugs.
Okay, I've never heard of it. Okay. Was it fundamentally good when you invested?
Yeah, like I invested it 4 years back in 2017, 2016 India. So at that time, it was like at a think, yeah, it will go up, it will go up for sure. And now it is like at the half price. So what do you like? What's your suggestion that I should do?
What is it now? Is it fundamentally strong or fundamentally bad? That is my question.
It's not right now. It's not that fundamentally good. Like they have been reporting lot losses. They have been
Then
reporting
then
losses.
if you think that it is not going up, then it is better to just get out because there is no point averaging in a fundamentally bad stock. You'll average down on a falling knife, you'll keep averaging down, but then what will happen is you'll just keep pumping more money and you'll make a loss. So sometimes it's always good to understand that, okay, you know what, I made 50% loss, I couldn't help it. Ideally, in the last 4 years, you should have, tracked it, and when it was going down by 20% only, you should have sold it.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, from past 1 2 weeks, it's been going up. Like it has gone from 30 to 37. So I was thinking if I'll
No,
wait
that's what.
more,
See,
will it
if it's
go?
fundamentally wrong, then it won't go up so much, right? I mean, the chances of it going up so much if it's fundamentally not good, you know how the odds work.
Yeah, yeah,
Now, what if you keep it? It went up for 3 days, 4 days, but then again it went down by another 20% and it goes to 20 rupees. Then what?
yeah. That will be a
So
a
sometimes you
huge
should just
point.
be programmatic and say, you know what, I'm out of this thing. I'm not going to invest in this. I've already taken a loss enough. I can't take more. Let me remove out of this. Let me find another new stock and let me invest in that stock. It's okay. It's okay. Even if it goes up, don't bother. Don't feel sad about it. Even if it
Okay,
goes
okay.
up.
Yeah. One more question that I have is about Tata Elxsi. Like
Yeah.
I wanted to invest in it since a long time, but I just feel like it is overvalued for a bit. Like
Tata
it's
Elxsi is a
around.
very good stock for the future. There is no overvaluation. You can buy as much as you want. It is a very good stock. Fundamentally, right now it is very strong. So you can definitely buy, is what I would say.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Shashank. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hey Shashank, Shashank here.
Hey Shashank, how are you? Pankaj Tripathi.
I'm doing
Yeah.
good. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yeah, you are.
So, what do you think about the paid small cases, which are fee structured, take 300 or 400 bucks per month for making a portfolio?
What do you mean 300, 400 bucks a month? Which one is this?
They charge some money for making a portfolio, and those they have returns very high. They are so
What
they
is
have
this?
so
Can you
promising.
give an example, please?
Wait,
Are you talking about the small cases managed by a professional company? Is that what you're saying?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, because I've
The
never seen it
charged
be.
one.
Yeah, I've never seen it be a 300. That's why I asked. Okay, yeah. So I'm using one of them. I'm using this one from Capital Mind. It's doing really well. In 1 month, it's given me 12% returns. So I'm not complaining. I'm very happy. In 1 month,
Okay, okay.
again, you have to do your own research. I'm investing in Capital Mind, but I'm paying also a bomb to invest in that. It's 12,000 a year to invest in that.
Oh my god. I told
No, but
for
that
a
works.
month.
That's okay if my cost is also like that. No, cost means if I'm investing 3 lakhs, then 10,000 is nothing. Correct?
या अगर 12% मिल रहा है तो 12,000 कुछ भी नहीं
Yeah. Again, 12% was थोड़ी ना वो बोल के देगा कि हाँ मैं तेरे को 12% दूंगा आज जा. It was a risk that I took and it worked out. It panned out. The risk.
है या कूल
That's all.
ओके
Cool.
Hi
Awesome.
Shashank, Davneet this side.
Yeah. Hi.
So first of all, I wanted to thank you for all the knowledge that you've been imparting on us because I've been following Avalon since a long time now. I've watched
That's
all
good.
your videos on the Meta app. So my
Thank you.
question is regarding the buybacks of shares. Whenever a company announces that it's going to buy back a particular share above its current market price,
Correct.
how does it work on the retail investors' point side? I mean, how do I participate in that buyback?
Okay, there are some things known as, okay, there's a way where they will tell you how to participate. You have to like go to a website and they will tell you that okay, we're doing an open buyback. This is the price at which we're doing the buyback. Please fill in your information, and once you apply, and then you have to apply for it. Then if you actually get applied with that, then your buyback will happen for you, and they will take it away from your demat account, and you will get the money in your bank account.
Okay, so it's not an open market thing. I mean, ट्रेड नहीं करता है
Sometimes,
मार्केट में ही रैंडमली.
sometimes it is open market. Sometimes there are two types of buyback which no, very few people know. But sometimes you get a mail from the company and say, you know what, we're taking buyback from everyone. Whoever wants to contribute, please come and say that you want to give it. Sometimes they just announce saying that you know what, the company is going to do an open buyback from the audience, and we will just keep buying it from the market over a period of time, and you won't know,
Okay.
right? You will just be normally selling like how you're buying and selling, but they will be buying it from you. So both possibilities are
Okay.
there.
So my question was specifically for Infosys because they announced that they'll be buying back the shares at 1750 and the current market price is around
So that
1300.
will
But there's a huge.
you will get an email and then they'll ask you, do you want to participate in this? Then you say yes, I do want to participate, and then the process starts from there.
Okay, okay.
That is
Thank
when
you
they
so
usually
much.
give you a premium also.
Achha, that is the difference between the buyback price and the current market price. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, perfect.
Hi,
Anyone
Shashank.
else? Yeah, last question, right? Yeah, go ahead, man.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for such a great content.
Thank you.
And I just have one question that related to intrinsic value.
Okay.
I've heard that intrinsic value it cannot be 100% accurate, but somewhat it is helpful to determine a stock price. What do you have to say about intrinsic value? Does it help much?
No, man. It is just a way to figure out whether something is good or something is bad. But intrinsic value is something which says that it is the true value of a stock. But there is something known as there's a lot of other factors that are also there, like market premium. There are other factors if you talk about how the industry is. If something is doing in good demand, then nobody cares about the intrinsic value. It is just, see, all these ratios and proportions, everything is just an indicator for you to make an informed decision. But ideally, I think the better way to find the best type of intrinsic value in the market is to just look at how PE ratios are playing at this point. That would be the best way to look at it.
I see. Okay. Okay, thank you, Shashank. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Awesome, guys. I hope you guys had a good time today. I know it's getting boring during the lockdown, but don't worry, hang in there. We're almost out of it. I don't know whether we're almost out of it. I hope we're almost out of it. Uh, but yeah. By the way, I called Basit on stage twice. He didn't accept my invite, so there's no justice for Basit. It's justice for Shashank because Basit's not coming on stage. Uh, yeah. But again, good stuff. Great interacting with you guys today. And I shall see you guys. Maybe is that market tomorrow? Someone told me market is off tomorrow. There's no market tomorrow. Is the market closed or open? I don't know. Oh, tomorrow's Eid. Oh, tomorrow's my holiday. Shit, you guys are gonna be so sad. I'm not gonna be there for you guys tomorrow. Oh, okay, awesome. I'll see you guys later than day after tomorrow. Hey, no, day after tomorrow we need. Oh, huh. Okay, Friday hai. Thank God. I'll come day after tomorrow then. Okay, cool guys. Cool. Okay, chalo. See you guys. Bye.